everyone, welcome back to Art City. My name is Vanessa, and today we're going to be learning how to make two different kinds of bat origami just in time for Halloween. So one of them will be a bookmark and one of them will be something that you can use for decoration, for example, putting on your desk. These are super simple and quick, so let's get started. Okay, so all you're going to need for this activity is some paper. I have some black paper here, but I made the bats with white paper and they looked just as good. You need some scissors and some markers if you would like to decorate your bats. So first we're going to need a square piece of paper. We're going to start with the bookmark. So what I like to do when I have a rectangular piece of paper, I just like to fold it across from this corner until this line over here, and this allows me to make a square really easily. So I have a triangle here, and I'm just going to cut this piece off to make my square. You can also make these bats with any other kind of colored paper you will like. You can get really creative with the colors. So we have our square piece of paper right here. So first we're going to start with folding this in like so, then folding this part in about 1 to 2 centimeters depending on how large you want your wings to be. So I just typically go around this, so almost my fingertip. So I'll just do something like this. So after you fold, you can turn your piece of paper around, and this is going to be our face. I'm just going to lightly outline where I want my face to be. You don't have to do this step. If you don't want to, you can just eyeball it and fold it however you want. So now I'm going to fold along the line I just made right here. And I just try to make the wings leveled, so they should look about the same angle and they should be about the same size. And it should look like this right now. And then from here, I'm going to fold this wing in like so. So this part is kind of a horizontal line. And I'm going to do the same for the other wing. And I'm just trying to match the swing to the other side. So here we have it, and I'm just going to fold this back. And here we have it, a very simple bat that you can also use as a bookmark because there is a flap here that you can insert into a page. And what I like to do, you don't have to do this, I can just cut this off into ears. So now you see that I have little ears here. So here you have it, a bat bookmark. This is how you can use the bat as a bookmark. So what you're going to do is just place your bat over here with the flap right here. You can just place it on the page like so. And here, like this. So next time you want to go back to that page, you can just go back to this. And I think it looks super cute. Moving on to our second craft, we also need a square piece of paper. So I'm just going to do the same thing that I did last time, which is just folding one corner to the edge of the paper. And I'll cut this part off. So now you have your square piece of paper. So first what we're going to do is just fold this piece of paper in half like this, and then we're going to fold it in half again like this. Then we're going to unfold it and flip it over to the other side, so you see a line here like so. And we're going to take this pointy edge and bring it all the way up to this edge of the paper. And then we're going to unfold again, and we're gonna fold this edge now to this line that we just created. So it'll look like this. And now we're going to have this line right here, the one that we just made. We want to line it up with this top of the paper. So we're just going to try to align it like so. And now taking this pointy edge, and we're just going to fold it back to line it up with this line again. Now we'll fold the entire thing in half like this. And we're going to unfold. Now what we're going to do is fold this entire piece like this, so that this part aligns with this part. So we'll just line it up to the middle. So after you folded this, you're going to unfold, and you're going to take this pointy edge right here and line it up right here at the intersection of this and this. So right here, going to line it up like so, and we'll do the same thing on the other side. So again, you're taking this part and you're trying to line it up with the midline right here. So you have something like this. Then doing the same thing, you're going to want to line this edge right here with this intersection. So taking it over, going to fold. So make sure you fold hard enough so you can see all the different lines, like so. So now that you have all your folds on this side, we're going to flip it around like this. And you see that there is a line right here. And what you're going to want to do is take this line right here and line it up with the middle right here. So you're going to take this and fold it in like this. So again, you see this line right here, and you're going to fold it in so it can line up on the midline like this. And you're going to want to do the same on the other side. So again, you have this line right here, and you fold it in to the middle like this. Then you see that we have this line right here and this line right here, and we're going to do the same thing. So we want to line this line up with the middle, so we're doing something like this, and we're doing the same thing on the other side. So we'll push this in like this, in towards the middle, so you have something like this. And now we're going to fold it in again like this. So we're taking this point and moving it down so that this line can fold in along with this line. So right now we're just making a bunch of folds for the bat's wings, and then we're going to do this. And on the other side, it's the same thing. So I'm just folding it in like this, and then folding it back out so that everything lines up. So it's just something, so you should have something that looks like this right now, with the wings all folded up into each other, and when you pull it apart, it should look like this. So you can already see the shape of the wings like this, and it already looks super cool. So now we'll turn it back around like this. And now we're going to make some ears. So you see that we have this flap over here, and we can use this as a guide for our ears. So what we're going to do is fold this corner in like this, and you're going to also fold the other corner in. So we'll have this corner, and we're gonna just fold it in. Sometimes the paper doesn't want to do that, so just have a little patience and you will get your ears. So now you have your indents right here, and if you want to just exaggerate that, you can also pinch to make the ears more prominent. And you're going to pinch like this, and the flap is popping up, so we're just going to hold it down and pinch again. And here you have it, a very, very cute bat. You can also fold the wings back if you want to have a more neat presentation of your bat. It just depends on what you want. You can also reposition the wings. So this craft actually gives you a lot of freedom on how you want to present your wings. Personally, I like to have it like this, so it looks a little more 3D. There you have it, some really cute bats. You can also tape this on your wall to make some really cute Halloween decorations to get yourself into the Halloween spirit. That's it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed learning how to make these cute bat origami, and I hope that everyone has a safe Halloween, and as always, stay happy, stay creative, and stay healthy. Bye!